This is the word flash. Pay attention to the spelling and the pronunciation of the key expressions. Upward trend. To go up, to grow, to rise, to climb. To increase, to improve, to jump, to rocket, to soar, to boom, to surge. To double, to triple, to peak, to reach a peak. Downward trend. To go down, to decline, to drop, to dip, to fall. To decrease, to slump, to tumble, to plummet, to plunge, to sink. To halve, to bottom out, to remain stable, to remain steady at, to stay constant, to remain unchanged, to maintain the same level, to stagnate, to level off, to level out, to stabilize, to fluctuate, rapid, rapidly, swift, swiftly, sharp, sharply, steep, steeply, significant, significantly, considerable, considerably, substantial, substantially, market, markedly, negligible, negligibly. Now let's learn how to use these expressions.